Today I'm in Seattle at Taylor Farms with products that range from ready-to-eat salads to fresh-cut fruit and vegetables. Taylor Farms supplies some of the largest grocery chains in the U.S. My first stop is to meet with their food safety manager, Caroline.
So tell me a little bit more about what we're going to see today.
So we bring in all of our vegetables into the plant through here and take them, wash them, prep them, cut them to our customer specifications, and then we move them out onto the assembly line and we build different types of salads that are just pre-made, ready to eat for our customer.
Now, you all use a lot of Washington-grown products here. How does that make a difference?
It stays fresher in our facility, which ultimately increases our quality to the customer. It hasn't had to travel from Mexico or California. It's local right here, and it just opens the door for us to give our customer a better product.
The first thing Caroline showed me is where they make their ready-to-eat salads. As I walked into the room, I couldn't help but notice how cold it was. Caroline said the temperature was between 34 and 36 degrees to keep the produce fresh.
Probably 95% of our jobs that we have and positions that we have here at Taylor Farms are in refrigerated areas. So
That's amazing.
From unloading the truck to storing it, to prepping it, to building it, it's all done in the cold.
As we walk over to the wrap station, Caroline challenges me to jump on the line and give it a try.
All right. So I'm going to wrap and keep the protein isolated.
Yep, separated. Very
all right.
good.
And then, did she fold this over?
You can pull, yep, you
Oh,
can
dear.
pull it back.
Oh dear! Oh dear! Oh dear! Oh dear! Oh gosh, I'm sorry.
That's very good. These guys make it look really easy, don't they?
Oh
It
my
is-
gosh!
It is about practice, it is about rhythm, and these guys do a phenomenal job.
Wow, what an honor! Thank you.
Since I quickly got kicked off the line, my next stop was to sit down with Steve Ish, president of Taylor Farms Northwest. With so many products and locations, I asked Steve what makes Washington special.
It means a lot to be in the state of Washington. It kind of all ties back into the homegrown side of things that we're able to do here. I know the retailers like to be able to say, hey, this product was grown locally.
So, what are some of the most popular products that you all are known for?
Well, do a lot with wraps. We do some sandwiches from that standpoint.
You're going to take the one I made out, I hope.
No, actually, I understand you did a fantastic job. We may have had to chase you down the line a little bit, but my understanding is you did a super job.
Gosh.
The salads themselves, the individual salads, again, being on the deli side, that's really where a major focus of this facility is.
Steve said his favorite product is the fruit yogurt parfait. I had to try it out myself.
That works.
Very smooth.
Very smooth. Thank you so much.